This is Shelley Craft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're coming to you live from the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2017 at Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas. I am here with John Scribante from Orion. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is OESX. John, welcome back to SNNLive.
Yeah, well, thank you for having me.
It's my pleasure to have you. Let's start out with an overview on Orion for our audience, and then we'll go from there.
Sure. Orion is a company that focuses on commercial and industrial LED lighting. We're a manufacturer. We're made in America, and we help companies better manage their energy savings as well as better manage their business.
Well, what we're facing here in the United States is companies that need energy reduction one way or another, no matter how much money comes available. So how's business?
Well, business is good for us. Our industry this last quarter was very, very soft, and I think a lot of it has to do with just the political situation out there and getting some tax policies and regulations in place so there's more certainty in the marketplace. But from Orion's perspective, we got a lot of great products that are coming out here in the next couple of weeks. We've got a great business model. We're expanding our sales channel into the electrical distribution channel, which has proven to be very, very good for us. That's a plan that we put in place late last year and are now really starting to see the fruits and the benefits of that move.
Let's talk about your new products. Hit me.
Well, you'll have to come to the Light Fair to see it released, the official ones released. But a lot of them are focused clearly on higher performance. We have the leading products in the industry right now, highest performing products in the marketplace. We really focus on the retrofit space, so the industrial retrofit. And by doing that, the return on investment is really the measure that people are looking for. So having that high performance is very good. We're also introducing some product in some new market sectors, food manufacturing, food processing, a lot of the environments that have a much higher standard of safety and standard of quality. So those will be coming out as well. So it's going to be a robust year for Orion and new products.
How do you feel the rest of the year will turn out? Obviously, once Washington determines how we'll all be affected. So what's your comment on that?
Well, Orion will thrive in an environment where the sentiment is positive. When manufacturers and other industrial clients are looking to spend money, spend their discretionary capital on their business, invest back into their business, they need to have certainty in doing that. And so with the political environment that we have, it doesn't give them a lot of certainty. So that's, as soon as that takes place, and as soon as we get the tax bill and some of the other regulatory things resolved, I think we're up for a great rest of the year.
And manufacturing costs that you have those been reduced?
Yeah, we manufacture all of our products in the United States, and that's been a great opportunity for us to dial in our quality, to reduce the overall expense of the operation, and really provide a very quick response time to our customers. And when you have to wait for a boat to come 12 weeks over the sea, it's not very good for your customer service when they're looking for a product right away. So our manufacturing costs have come down. Our productivity has gone way up. I think we've improved the productivity over the last couple of years, 67% in our manufacturing facility alone. And now with our expanded sales channel, it's really going to give us the ability to leverage that investment.
Is there a lot of consolidation in your industry?
You're starting to see it. There's, this industry has been fighting the drag of the legacy lighting burning off. Orion was 100% fluorescent lighting for the last 18 years. In the last 2 or 3 years, we've flipped that to be almost 100% LED lighting. But that rapid decline of our legacy product is one of the drags on our revenue growth because that has got to burn off. The other drag on our revenue growth has been average selling prices have been coming down over the last couple of years. But we're seeing that tapering, and now that we have fluorescent behind us and we have the tapering of our costs really leveling out, I think revenue growth is really, we're poised right now very well to take advantage of a better economic cycle and really start to move product.
In your world, are competitors going through the same thing you are, or are they still stuck in fluorescent?
Well, Orion is one of the leaders of that transition. As I said, we're over 90% LED in our product. some of the largest companies out there, some of the most respected companies in the industry, are still showing numbers of 55 or 60% of conversion. So they still have another 40% of their product to unravel and convert over to LED. So I think Orion's in a very good position to have that drag behind us, so that now it's all about hitting the accelerator on the LED through our sales channel and through just a rapid deployment of our salespeople.
John, let's get your website out there for our investor audience, if you would.
It's orionlighting.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, John Scribante, Orion. It's a publicly traded company, and the symbol is OESX. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, where we're coming to you live from the Planet MicroCap Showcase 2017 at Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas. John, a pleasure to see you. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me. It's been a great show.
Oh, great. Thanks.